If Cloud Code and Codex can both read your projects, fix bugs, edit files, and write code, then which one should you actually trust with your work? At first, this looks like a simple comparison, but the real difference is not only about which tools gives the better answer. It is about how each one works with you. One feels more like an AI developer working beside you, while the other is built strongly around handling of tasks and letting the agent work more independently. So instead of comparing features on a list, I'm going to give both tools the exact same coding problem and see how they approach it. Subscribe to TechWise AI if you enjoy practical AI comparisons like this, and make sure you watch until the end because there is one important development that could completely change the cloud codes versus Codex debate. Cloud Code is Anthropic's coding agent designed to work directly with your project. It can give it access to a project folder and it can inspect file, understand how different parts of the project connects, edit code, run commands and help investigate problems. What makes Cloud Code specifically useful is the feeling of working closely with the agent. You can ask it to investigate something, review what it found, change your instruction, and continue working with it inside the same project. This makes Cloud Code feel closer to having an AI developer working beside you while you remain involved in the decisions. Codex is OpenAI coding agent. Like Cloud Code, Codex can work with project files, understand existing code, make changes, and solve software development tasks. But Codex is also designed strongly around delegations. You can give it a clearly defined job and allow it to work through the task while you focus on the result. This becomes particularly useful as your workflow grows and you want AI agent handling separate piece of development work. So, although Cloud Code and Codex overlap in many capabilities, the important difference is not simply which model can produce code. The bigger question is how you prefer to work with AI coding agent. Instead of asking both tools to build a large application and using a huge number of tokens, I created a very small test. This is a simple shopping cart showing three different products. The starting total is $113.49. Everything looks correct until I remove an item. For example, I will remove this wireless keyboard which costs $49 and 99 cents. The keyboard disappeared from the chart, but look at the total. It still says $139 and 49 cents. The correct total should now be $63 and 50 cents. So we have one clear bug, and that is all. I want the agent to fix it. To keep this comparison fair, I prepared two identical copies of the project. Cloud Code get one copy and Codex get another. I am also giving both agent exactly the same prompt. I will start with Cloud Code. The first thing I want to see is whether Cloud can locate the problem without me telling it which file contains the bug. I also want it to explain what caused the issue before changing anything. Now, I will repeat exactly the same process with Codex. This is a fresh copy of original project, so Codex is not seeing any changes made by the cloud code. I will paste exactly the same prompt and left Codex investigate the problem. It's not This small test is not enough to declare that one agent is permanently better than the others. AI coding tool change quickly and performance can also change depending on the project and the problem. What this test does show is something more useful. Both tool can work with an existing project instead of requiring you to build everything from scratch. Both can investigate code, understand a problem, make a correction, and explain the result. The more important difference appears when we look at how we want to work with them. If you prefer staying closely involved while the AI works, cloud code is very attractive. You can investigate problems together, guide the agent, review its reasoning, and continue refining the project inside the same workflow. If you prefer giving an agent a clearly defined task and allowing it to work more independently, Codex becomes very compelling. This also matters when you start thinking beyond one coding agent and move toward workflow where several agents can handle different responsibilities. So I would not choose between Cloud Code and Codex only by asking which one writes better code. I would choose based on how I want AI to participate in my development processes. And now we reach the part that makes this comparison much more interesting. OpenAI now provides a codec plugins for cloud code. That means the future may not simply be cloud code versus codex. You can start thinking about workflow where cloud code and codex can become part of some development process. That is why I believe the more useful skill is not becoming loyal to one AI coding tool. The useful skill is understanding what each agent does well and knowing when to use it. So, here is my takeaway. If you want an AI coding agent that feels closely connected to your development process, Cloud Code is an excellent place to start. If you want strong task delegations and a workflow that can expand toward more independent agent works, Codec deserves serious attention. And if you have an access to both, learning how they can complement each other may eventually be more valuable than choosing only one. If you found this comparison useful, subscribe to TechWise AI and press the notification icon button because in an upcoming video, I will show you how to create a custom sub-agent in Cloud Code. A custom sub-agent is like giving Cloud a specialty team member with a specific job. For example, you could create one agent that focuses on reviewing code while other focuses on testing. I will show you how to create one in a simple way and how you can actually use it in your workflow. Subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss the video. Thanks for watching.